Hi kids, hope you all are doing well. I am Lily, the butterfly. I am back with another exciting new day. Let's start the morning walk and learn some other types of adjectives by observing nature. Here I can see many flowers. There are 7 flowers in this first bush, and 8 flowers in that second bush. Few are pink and more are white. There is also some water in the can. I like all these scented flowers. Have you noticed? Here I have used the words like many, few, some, all and more. These are called quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjective indicates quantity or amount, such as how many or how much something is. For example, some water, a few days. And the words like 2, 3, some, first, and second are numeral adjectives. Numeral adjective shows the precise number or order of nouns. It represents numeral value, for example, first, second, or 50. I pointed out the flowers by using the words this, that, these and those. We use these words as demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. Would you like to explore more? Watch my next video for more types of adjectives.